Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch 5 and in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up the alarm clock on this watch. So let's get started. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and look for the alarm icon. And once you find the alarm icon, you can tap on it. This is the stopper icon, I believe. There it is. There it is. This is the alarm icon. You can tap on it. And as you can see, we don't have any alarms at the moment, but we can tap on Add Alarm. Here we can set the time on which the alarm should go off. I'm going to set it to something like 6:30. Okay. And the alarm will be added, and you can turn it on or off, but you can also edit it a bit further. You can customize it a bit more. To do that, tap on the alarm itself. You will enter the edit mode, and here you can change the time again if you want to, but we have also a repeat option. And this option, basically, you can choose how often the alarm will go off. By default, it's once, so it will go off once, and then it will not repeat. But you can select daily for it to go off every day, or you can tap on custom, and here you can select specific days if you want to. So let's say I want Tuesday and Thursday, and then I can go back, and my alarm will go off on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Oh, you don't go back, my bad. You need to tap on the check mark to confirm, I guess, right? So let's select, yeah. So you need to select the Tuesday and Thursday. Come on. Of course, you can select any days you like. You don't need to select specific days like I did. And then tap on the check mark. And now it's selected. Okay. And we can tap on the check mark to confirm. Below, we have also option to enable only vibration. So you won't hear any sound, but the watch will vibrate. And then we have Smart Wake. And you have a description what the Smart Wake does. Basically, let your watch choose within a 10-minute window before you alarm to wake up you before you alarm to wake you up. Oh, okay. So basically, it will try to wake you up 10 minutes before your alarm window. Okay. And of course, you can also remove the alarm if you want to by tapping on the bin icon. And once you're done, you can simply press the crown button to go back to watch face. You can also add multiple alarms if you want to. And that's about all. So if you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.